GPS drone F194 with camera for adults 4K, Aoshi foldable drone for beginners with auto return home, optical flow positioning, follow me, brushless motor, 2 batteries. Product details: 4K camera, 5G image transmission. F194 drone with camera for adults. The HD 4K camera captures your wonderful moments with incredible details. The 120-degree wide-angle lens and the remote-controlled 90-degree adjustable structure broaden your view. And the 5G FPV technology guarantees longer and smoother image transmission. The best 4K drones with camera. GPS drone and optical flow positioning. GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing the automatic return function. You won't lose the drone anytime. Note: please turn off the GPS mode when you are indoors and also turn on the GPS mode when you are outdoors to avoid some functions from not working properly. Powerful brushless motor flight mode. Brushless motors can maintain stability at higher wind levels than ordinary motors, have a significantly longer service life, and provide you with a stable and powerful flying experience. There's no need for complicated preparation work before each flight. It's super friendly for novice pilots and drones for adults. 2 modular batteries. Come with 2 intelligent batteries, 7.4-volt, 2500 mAh, that support up to 50 minutes of flight. Foldable design, along with the carry case, makes it a perfect companion for your journey. And the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. It is the best gift